Hi, today let's make simple and easy salt and pepper prawns. The recipe is very simple. You need prawns, onions, capsicum, ginger garlic paste, pepper powder, corn flour. Now in a bowl, add in your cleaned, deveined prawns, add in turmeric powder, salt, pepper, and then you need to add in corn flour. Here when you're adding the corn flour, it doesn't need to be too much. It just needs to be lightly covered, and you can just marinate the prawns only for 5 minutes. This recipe just takes 15 minutes to be cooked. Now in a pan I've added in oil. Please note the veggies needs to be tossed on high flame because we don't want it to be mushy. The crunchiness of the veggies needs to be there. I've added in chopped garlic, I've added in chopped chilies, green chilies, and now I've added in the bulb of the spring onions and give it a good mix. Next I'll be adding in sliced capsicum and sliced onion. Please note the thickness of the sliced onion and capsicum needs to be thick. We don't need the thin slice. We need slightly thick slice. Give it a good toss. While now this is tossing, in a hot kadai, drop in your prawns slowly one by one. Only 3 minutes of cooking of the prawns we need. If you need that perfect juicy crunchy prawns evenly cooked, then 3 minutes is your time. If you go over more than 3 minutes, then your prawns will turn out to be rubbery. So just 3 minutes, give it a good toss, and immediately move these fried prawns to the tossing pan, where you're tossing your veggies. Add your prawns there and give it a good stir so that the prawns is coated with the veggies, and then you can sprinkle in some salt to taste, some pepper for the spiciness, and you can add in some light soya sauce. Give all of this a very good mix. Trust me, this recipe is very simple, very easy. It will turn more flavorful. Here we are not adding any kind of flavoring, any kind of MSG, but you will finish the whole full pan of this salt and pepper prawns. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are in the description box below. All the ingredients are easily available in your kitchen shelf. There is no any fancy kind of ingredients which you would need. Just please note that the prawns needs to be cooked only for 3 minutes, everything in high flame, and your flavorful salt and pepper prawns are ready.